has balls in his head. What the frick? How do you crouch? Oh. I can't do this anymore with his hiccups! I'm so tired. I thought it was gone. It just makes no sense. What the fuck is that? No, man. No. Oh. Maybe? We have to fight them or something. Oh, this is so annoying. Okay, yeah, we have to fight them. Die! Oh, because when it shoots it, I have to... Oh my god, okay. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Okay, he shoots at that one. Yeah, shoot at it, and then I go like... Yeah, and you shoot at it. Okay. Wait, ah! Why didn't I have my freaking weapon? Yo, this just It Takes Two, bruh. This game is just It Takes Two. I'm so tired. Yeah, It Takes Two single player, but there is like the multiplayer too. Bam. 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 Okay, and what now? Are we done? What did I do wrong? Why do I have hiccups? It's so annoying. You're not a fish? What does that mean? Are you trying to convince me of something? Are you trying to confuse me? I need him. I need my friend. Come here. Help. Bruh, you're useless. Can't we grab one of these? No? Can I get a happy birthday? Happy birthday, Chess Rockwell! Happy birthday! Maybe I have to break something. Hey, maybe it's this way. But we just go back here, no? Just go back that way. something. Come on. Please help. I clearly have to go this way. No. Oh my god, I did it! Why couldn't I just... Why couldn't I just do it? Like... I've been trying for 2 hours. That's insane. Where are these balls? Well, those are like skulls, are they? Ooh. Stop making fun of my Hiccups! Stop! I didn't eat too much. I ate normally. But I drank Coke. Maybe that's it. But it never happens actually. Like, it's not something that happens all the time. You're not making fun, it's cute. Drink water, maybe. I can drink water. Shoot at that thing. Shoot at something. Just do it. Make your dreams come true. Do it. Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm just gonna go insane! I just can't do this anymore! What was that? Oh. I just dropped something at you guys. Did you see? I just threw something at you. Ow! Oh! Straight upstairs, but we can also use this. Oh, but there is something. There's something I can grab, no? I got baited. I thought this was like a... Oh, it is! It is, nice. For Hiccups, drink water, but don't swallow. Bend over to touch your toes, then swallow. Might need to repeat a couple times, but it always works for me. Bro, that's too much work! Thank you so much, by super chat. Thank you so much for running joke. If you hiccup, you're Italian. I just hiccuped! I just did it! We go this way. Up! We fly. We fly more.